Hello friends, welcome to Unify Study channel. Today we will know about the important facts or events related to 13th November. Let's start. In the year of 1780, on this day, Maharaja Ranjit Singh, the ruler of Punjab, was born. In the year of 1873, on this day, Mukund Ramrao Jaikar, a famous educationist, social worker, judge, legal scholar, and constitutionalist, was born. In the year of 1892, on this day, Rai Krishnadas, a story writer, prose writer, was born. In the year of 1917, on this day, Muktibodh Gajanan Madhav, the famous progressive poet, was born. In the year of 1950, on this day, Tibet appealed to the United Nations against the Chinese invasion. In the year of 1962, on this day, Indian archaeologist Ghulam Yazdani passed away. He was one of the founders of the Department of Archaeology during the colonial period, regime of the Nizam of Hyderabad. In the year of 1968, on the day Zulfikar Ali Bhutto was arrested in Pakistan. In the year of 1971, on this day Mariner 9, sent by the American Space Institute NASA, reached the orbit of Mars. In the year of 1975, on this day, the World Health Organization declared Asia to be smallpox-free. In the year of 1979, on this day, the newspaper Times resumed publication after being closed for a year. In fact, the publication of Times newspaper was stopped due to a dispute between the management and the unions over the introduction of new technology and other issues. In the year of 1985, on this day, a volcano erupted in eastern Colombia, killing about 23,000 people. In the year of 1997, on this day, the Security Council imposed a travel ban on Iraq. In the year of 1998, on this day, the Dalai Lama and US President Bill Clinton met despite opposition from China. In the year of 2008, on this day, Ashom Gana Parishad joined the National Democratic Alliance. In the year of 2009, on this day, Naxalis kidnapped 7 people, including outgoing MLA Ramchandra Singh in Jharkhand. In the year of 2014, on this day, Rohit Sharma of India set a new record of 264 runs against Sri Lanka in ODI innings in cricket. In the year of 2015, on this day, terrorists carried out a deadly attack on Paris. In this, 130 people died and more than 350 were injured. In the year of 2018, on this day, Sri Lanka's Supreme Court restrained President Maithripala Sirisena from dissolving parliament. In the year of 2020, on this day, India successfully test-fired the Quick Reaction Surface-to-Air Missile QRSAM system off the coast of Balasore in Odisha. In the year of 2020, on this day, India made a financial contribution of $1 million to the COVID-19 ASEAN Response Fund. In the year of 2020, on this day, the Reserve Bank of India imposed a fine of rupees 1 crore on Punjab National Bank for violation of the Payment and Settlement Systems Act 2007. In the year of 2020, on this day, Saadat Rahman of Bangladesh was awarded the prestigious International Children's Peace Prize 2020. In the year of 2020, on this day, Lonar Lake in Budhana district of Maharashtra was selected as a wetland site of international importance under the Ramsar Conservation Treaty. In 2021, today is celebrated as World Kindness Day. World Kindness Day is celebrated globally every year on 13 November. The day is celebrated to highlight the good deeds in the community, focusing on the common thread of positive power and kindness that binds us. That's all. Thanks for watching and support.